Baltic Guardian, USS John P. Murtha strategic deployment to prevent conflicts. The United States warship USS John P. Murtha recently deployed to the Baltic Sea as a potential deterrent to conflict escalation in the strategic region. The move highlights concerns over rising tensions in Eastern Europe, as well as the U.S. role in maintaining regional stability. USS John P. Murtha, a San Antonio-class ship, is equipped with cutting-edge technology and versatile capabilities that allow it to operate in a variety of military scenarios. The decision to deploy this ship demonstrates the U.S. commitment to supporting its allies in the Baltic region. The Baltic Sea, with its strategic position between Russia and NATO countries, is a focus of attention in European security dynamics. The presence of the USS John P. Murtha aims to secure these waters and emphasize the U.S. military presence as a counterweight in regional geopolitics. The U.S. move to send warships to the Baltic Sea is also a response to changing security dynamics in Eastern Europe, including increased Russian military activity in the region. It is a move designed to ensure stability and security for surrounding countries. San Antonio-class ships like USS John P. Murtha not only have a role in defense, but also in supporting humanitarian and disaster relief operations. Its presence in the Baltic Sea demonstrates the flexibility in the U.S. response to global challenges. In recent years, tensions in Eastern Europe have escalated, prompting diplomatic and military reactions from various sides. USS John P. Murtha acts as an important conflict deterrent element in efforts to maintain stability in the region. The U.S. has an obligation to protect the interests of its NATO allies and ensure the security of strategic regions such as the Baltic Sea.